Trading stocks is difficult as a teenager. When it comes to options trading, it is a different world. Hello everyone, I am David and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how I started trading options at 18. Anyone can achieve anything with the right mindset. Before I was 18, I was really interested in learning about the financial market. I recall watching the movie The Wolf of Wall Street, and it motivated me to learn ways the rich people make money. So, how did I do it, and what led me to trading options? First, you need the right mindset. Mindset is really important. Learning about the financial market and how to make money was not common as a teenager. The things I did turning 18 was hanging out with my friends, playing soccer, and games. So it took the right mindset to change my perspective and the right motivation to learn about the financial market. 2. Education. Learning how to trade is not easy as you think. Many people think that just watching YouTube videos will make them a great trader. However, it is more than that. Education involves reading motivational books that lay the foundation of trading. Then, increase your knowledge by learning about basic concepts such as what is investing. Lastly, draw a plan and practice. This is the last stage that got me into options. After learning about the financial market and reading books such as The Rich Dad Poor Dad, I decided that trading options was the right way to go. So what did I do? I made sure I understood the theory behind stock options derivative. After that, I chose a strategy and practiced using a paper trading account. I did this for 6 months to make sure I knew what I was doing and gain experience before using a real account. I didn't stop there though, but I joined trading groups to ask questions and learn from other traders. Now that you know how I worked my way to trading options, I want you guys to like the video, subscribe, and comment below how you became a trader yourself. I would love to hear that. See you next time.